Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 guys. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the 4x4 is located, also known as an all-wheel drive fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. You need to check two fuses in two different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have right here. We will need to work in 2 different fuse boxes today guys. Okay, the first fuse box will be located right under the hood. When you open the hood in your Ford F-150 guys, on the left side behind the car battery, right there, you have that fuse cover. You can see it right there. That fuse cover, you will need to open it. Once you open it, you see your fuse layout just like that. This one will be the front of the truck, this is towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see how you guys have different kinds of fuses and relays, right? Those could be really hard to find if you get stuck in a small town or something like that. They can be really pricey, so we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. If you need to buy some relays, fuses guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price guys, so we'll have it in the description of the video. Now we will need to work in that fuse box, that fuse panel right here in the front fuse box, the one under the hood. And if you come in the left row, from bottom to top will be that second fuse that you need to check, that 10M fuse known as fuse number 39. Now we have another fuse that you need to check, and it's inside the truck. Okay, that's on the passenger footwell, and by that kick panel right here, if you remove the cover, okay, you will see your fuse box will be exposed just like that guys. You can see that's your fuse box. So what do we need to check here? Which fuse we need to check here specifically for that? If you come here guys, you can see they start 1, 2, 3, then they go 4, 5, 6, and then they jump to 9, because you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see how they go, okay, crazy like that. But the fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 17. We're talking about that fuse, double fuse right here. So that's the one that you need to check as well. That's number fuse 17, but it's connected with fuse 18. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.